Welcome to the Eden and Elsa show, where I'm just Eden.
And I am Elsa N. We're back.
Today,
yes,
we have a package that were sent over to us from the PuffCuff.
Yes, she sent us a whole box of goodies. She gave me a knife, so now I gotta cut it like a cake.
What black person got like a box cut?
I have two. Don't say anything.
I wasn't going to. Hurry up, I want to know what's in the box.
Oh, sorry, I gotta get up. This one.
Open up the box.
Okay. Now.
There's more boxes.
Okay. Calm down. Woo. I'll take this box first. Or this one.
I want this one.
Okay, did I take this one?
Yes.
Oh, mine's already open. Okay.
All
That's
right.
2 boxes. Okay. Eden and Elsa, thank you so much for helping us. Oh, that's sweet. Inside are toolboxes for each of you. Good, so I don't have to share. Please demo the products for the video. Okay, no problem. We appreciate you.
Good.
We appreciate you.
Because I've been on vacation, I need to take these braids out.
And I need to deep condition. So, okay, let's see what we got. Okay, so already I like this because mine broke. So I need this. There. Bad.
Oh, I got mine on too. Bam,
So
bam.
I actually love this because it keeps the hair saturated more so than like a mist.
Like
so
a water bottle, like the regular.
So like when I'm twisting my hair or twisting M's hair, I need something like this. Let's see what else.
We got more PuffCuffs.
No, that was mine.
We got more PuffCuffs.
Wait, do we? Hold on. If she only put it in yours, I'm gonna be set. Oh no.
Oh, you have different
Hook
ones.
me up. The little ones. This is good though.
You got the little ones. You got the micro ones. I got the junior ones.
Okay. Bet. Alright, so many different sizes.
Ooh, girl.
What?
Satin cap.
Please, satin cap?
Please let it be. What's that one?
Oh, yours is different.
Ooh. Oh.
Look at it. It's like Christmas, but early. Oh, it's big too.
It's
for big
big.
hair. Oh, that's a good one.
Wait a minute.
Hold on. Let me see what mine is.
Let me see what yours is, because I might want that one.
Is this a towel for when you're like drying your hair?
I want that.
Wait, is it? Yeah, it is.
I want that one.
Hold on.
Or you got
You might
one.
have one too. Look in there.
Hold on.
Okay. Oh, a wave brush. Bet.
Dang.
Oh, here, I'll give you this.
Oh, they got a satin joint. I do.
Because you rock it in a full
I
on
do.
pro, so I'll give you this.
Oh, snap!
What's that one?
A satin pillow!
What is that? I have to cut in real quick because Eden and I messed up. These are not satin, okay? The pillowcase is not satin and the bonnet is not satin. Satin is man-made and apparently will cause you to sweat more. These are silk, both of them, both the bonnet and the pillowcase, silk, which is a natural fiber and you will not sweat. So way better than satin. Sorry, PuffCuff, my bad. All right, carrying on with the video in 3, 2, 1. Oh, this one's good too for when your hair is wet, when you're detangling.
Okay.
I need this one for
This is most definitely. I feel like we literally just randomly picked the boxes and we got the boxes that we needed to get.
I am tempted to take this one if you want to take. You want to swap?
I think I might.
I think so too.
I think I might. Oh. Ooh, what is this?
What is this?
Lovely contraption. Oh.
Ooh. Oh, is that to massage your scalp? No, we're fighting.
Oh,
Give it to me, Eden.
my scalp needs a massage.
No, you.
What you mean? No.
You don't need that.
Yes, I do.
Let me see it.
I got a lot of tension in my head.
I do.
Nuh-uh.
Come on, let me at least see it.
No, because I feel like you're not gonna give it back.
I will give it back. I'm right here. Where am I gonna go?
I was like, what is that?
I want it.
Let me think about it.
I really want it.
Let me think about it.
I can just feel it right now.
I do like. Ooh, I need a big comb like this.
Oh, a coconut infused one. This
never
is
saw that.
interesting. All right, so hold on a second. It's infused with coconut oil and keratin, soften and improve. This is okay. Yeah, we might have to do some swapping. Okay, let's look through
This
and
one
see
is
what we would
infused
actually.
with argan oil, olive oil, keratin. Ooh, I think.
Okay. Okay. Let's go through all the products, hold them up, and you will really use one. Okay.
All right. I mean, we both got these, so we're good.
Okay, that's the only thing we're good with. All right.
I'm keeping my PuffCuff. Okay.
All right.
I'm keeping my satin pillow.
That's fine because I've got one.
Okay.
I'm going to take the wave brush because I'm trying to be a good wife. And he will use. Oh wait, no, he doesn't have any hair. He shaved it.
That's what I'm saying. Give me that.
What? Well, what you gonna do it for?
Huh?
What are you gonna?
Cause like I like to brush my hair with that.
Slip it on the side.
Yeah,
okay.
I like to slip.
Okay, got it. So now these are the two that are. I mean, honestly, I could take either one. I think this is for drying your hair.
Yeah, I want this. I do
want
want
that
this.
one?
I do.
Okay.
This is what I needed for
Okay.
hair.
And I have not had.
Oh, it's got this so you can twist it and put it up.
Oh, that's smart.
Oh my god.
That's actually really smart. I think I'm going to tell us what it's called. Gosh, this is amazing. Look at us fighting and happy at the same time.
I know it look jacked up right now, so I'm just excited.
No, you're just showing how it works.
Just put the
I'm glad you figured that out real quick because I wouldn't have known.
Oh my god.
That's smart.
And then they put it right here.
That's really smart.
Okay, sorry. One more cut in. This turban can actually be worn outside, which I did not know. So it's not just for drying your hair. You can style it different ways. Eden and I are going to have to play around with it. But if you style it like a cute way, you can wear it out. Don't style it like Eden did just now. There's a better way to do it.
Should I put it on?
Yeah, put it on. See that?
Yeah.
It's actually really cute.
Okay. Bet. All the more reason to rock it. Okay. So I got that.
Okay.
All right. So these are the
You
parts that
knew
we're going
what
to
you was doing when you sent us this. You knew we was going to be fighting.
She did. That's why the boxes were like a little bit of yours, a little bit of.
How many do you have? You just put it. Oh, okay. You're lucky I love you.
Did I really get it?
Alright, so this is what we're going to do. This is the unboxing episode. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take over. I'm going to take my hair out and I'm going to use the products and show you what my hair is going to look like afterwards.
And I think what I'll do, I don't know if I'll have time to do a whole video, but I do need to wash my hair.
I know.
So, I mean, I'm going to use all of these products. Even the detangler, I'm going to use them both. I can't believe you can get all this on her website. I love that because she makes it easy. You know me. I don't have
You know
time.
what? I'm going to buy a lot of this stuff and I'm glad that you made it 10 times easier for me.
She did make it. How's my hair now? Is it looking jacked up?
No, it looks good. You're looking very, I'm your private dancer. Dancer for money. Do what you want me to do.
Like that?
Yeah.
I just lip synced to you actually singing.